I love these CCD cameras, nice and cheap, they're great, but let's be honest, the casings suck. This one's cracked, all it does is keep pointing down all the time. Oh, I hate it. But now, for a couple of pounds, that can all change. So for just over £2 you can get all this from Banggood, and it fits the HS1177 camera just fine. You have to get the two fittings there with the little brass fittings in, nice decent hard cases, or the single one, and they fit perfectly. So I can bin this one, get rid of this, get that out of there, and it fits in these perfectly. Push it in, nice and tight, fantastic. Put your lens on, put the back on, and screw it up. There we go. Get loads of screws, get an extra lock nut there for the lens. On this side. And that is perfect. And all we got to do now is focus it. And for that, I've rigged up an old VTX. I can just plug in a 3-cell battery and then put it into focus. So I've got another little screen here. Plug that in. Get an old 3-cell, plug it in. There we go, and all I've got to do is find the channel. Awesome. And then using a focus chart over the other side of the workshop, I've now focused it in and it's ready to put in. Fantastic. And there it is.